Hello everyone, welcome to European Piano Playing Tutorials. Today we will be starting a new series of tutorials that are called European Piano Playing Tutorials for very beginners. So this will be a series for very beginner pianists who are just starting, and I will be covering how to learn a lot of new and interesting pieces that are very easy to learn at first. So some of them maybe not for super beginners, but at least with the proper guidance I hope you can manage at home as well. So today we will be starting with Beethoven's Full Elise, and we will be only doing part one of it. So I'll just play the first part that we're gonna learn, and then I'll hopefully show you how to learn it bit by bit. Okay, so this will be the part. This will be the first part we will be covering today. So, the best way to learn a new piece, first of all, of course, is to read it and to play it with music, but I will be showing it bit by bit. So first, best way to start is to play through the music with the book at home. Just play your right hand and left hand a few times through the whole lot. And then we will split it into small fragments and learn by those little fragments, because for our minds it's very easy to catch and absorb and remember small bits of the information at a time. So we'll be starting with the right hand, and first always learn separate hands before you join both. So we'll be doing first right hand, and just by two notes. So basically you do E and D sharp like that, and you do once E D sharp, then again E D sharp, and then E and B. So you go two times E D sharp, E D sharp, E then B, and then D, C, A. See, then you can do a few times D, C, A only. Then you go all together. So like that. See, that's the first part of the right hand. Then we go to C and we play C, E, A, B. Like that. Best way to play those notes is to prepare them with one position of the hand. So you put 1 on C, 2 on E, 4 on A, 5 on B, and then you cover as many notes as possible of the position you're gonna play in advance, and then you play them. So you go like that, C, E, A, B, there. Then we go back and start the beginning again. So then next part, and then next new part we will place the position on E, G, sharp, B and C there. So we go like that, then all together from beginning. That way, and then you keep repeating this section until you get fluent with it. If you forget the beats again, you can again break it down into small pieces and then keep repeating until you get at least this tempo of fluency. And then always remember, I didn't talk today about positioning at the piano, but I assume you can watch the videos that I've done before, how to sit at the piano, the shape of your hands, so always touching with the soft parts and always relaxing your fingers after the touch. So you can watch those videos. I'll put the links down in the description. So that's about mechanics, but today we will be just covering the notes. So after you've done that first part of the right hand, then we'll do the next part. It's quite similar. So it starts with E, E, D. So you play those, E low on E with first finger, then top with the pinky with 5, then 4 on D sharp. So then E, E, D sharp, and then again E, D sharp, and then we do together E, E, D sharp, E, D sharp, and then E, B. So that way, then together we go E, E, D sharp, E, D sharp, E, B. This is second variation of that first melody. Then we go back to that last beat of it. So D, C, and then A, and then you can play a few times D, C, A, like that, slowly, do a few times, that little element, then connect it all together like that. And then next again place the hand on C, E, A, B, and play next. And that's the same as we had before, the same position. Then last one it goes slightly different. So it goes to thumb on D, and then 5 on C, then B, and then A. So D, C, B, and A. So you finish like that. So that will be the end of the first edition. We're gonna first episode we will do today, like first part of it. So then I'll do the second half of the plays here. So that way, then you keep repeating that a few times until you get familiar with it and fluent. Then finally you join it all from the beginning and go all the way through the whole section. So just right hand, you can go much slower. Like that. So that will be your first part done once you can play it like that without mistakes. So another little thing to talk about sound is to make it as legato as possible. That means you play one note, then you play next note, then you lift the previous note slightly after. So you kind of hang on the note until you play next note, then you lift the previous. So it connects together. So you make sure they're all connected like that, not like that. So don't be harsh with your sound. Play with the soft parts there of the fingertips and just make it flow like kind of water flowing, gradually and nicely. So sounds they go from one to another. So that was the first part for the right hand. Now we will do left hand. So we place the first position of the left. It's A, E, A there. So we play a few times just the first beat of it, like that. Until you're used to it. Then second part it's E, then G sharp, and G sharp goes over with the second finger over the thumb, so it will be go then 5, 1, and then 2 like that. You play it a few times, so always be prepared. So here we prepare the octave, E and E, and then before playing G sharp, make sure your finger is already there. So you play that 5, 1, then C, 2 waiting on G, then you play G, then you play that a few times, like that. And keep playing until you get used to it, so you feel comfortable moving with the fingers over there. Then it comes back to A, E, and A again. So it's very simple. Then you play it again from the beginning. So A, E, A, then E, G sharp, and then A, E, A again. So that's the first part. Then second part is exactly the same. So you go A, E, A, then E, E, G sharp, and again A, E, and A. So this will be the end of our first section for the left hand. Then we join both hands together. Then we go right hand, what we've done before. We start slowly. And then when right lands on last A, that's when the left enters with the lower A there. Then right goes to C there. Then left goes to E. When right plays B. So we can just play again first beat. And play that. First you practice just that and play it a few times. Like that. When you get used to it, repeat it. You can, go back in the video, do it many times until you're used to it. Then you do second part from that. Then when you go to B in right, you play E in left together with that B with 5. C there, and then right moves on, and then you finish on C, right and left goes to A, E, A again. So let's do the second section again from this one. You can just do this few times. Again, this one. Like that, and repeat again this way. And keep repeating until you get fluent on it. Then go back to the beginning. It's important to go back to the beginning and repeat what you've done before and connect it with the next place that you just learned. So we go back to the very start, then first little section, and then second here. Then keep doing it until you're fluent with the whole first part there. Then we will go from E next section there, so E, G sharp, B, and then C there. Like that, and play that few times, only that beat alone. And again. And again, repeat it until you're fluent. See? It's very small parts, so it's very easy to focus on it. Then you can go back one section before from that C. And then finish there. So then once you're fluent with that, you keep doing it. You can go back again on the video, just go a few seconds back and keep repeating. You can copy my hands there from the high view. And then from the very beginning we go again, all these three little sections. Repeat this section many times until you're fluent. Then we do the next one. So next one is only difference there. It's right starts on lower E, then goes to the high E. Then it's pretty much exactly same. Here it's all the same. And again the same. But after this G sharp, right hand goes to D now. So you play a few times just the last section there from D, C, B, then A, and stop there, and again D, C, B, A, like that, and again D, C, B, A, that way. And I didn't say all the finger numbers today, but you can copy the fingers that I'm doing. So if I'm doing pinky, you do the pinky. I didn't say the numbers, so it will take just too much, numbers saying. So you just see which fingers I'm using and do those as well at home. So let's do the whole section again from just before that last bit. So we do second part of it. So from that E. And then we go to the D this time, see? And then finish there. So first time it went to the C, E, G sharp, B, and then C. See, you can compare the difference at the end there. Then second time it goes to D, C, B, A. Sometimes it's just good idea to play those different sections side by side, so you know where to go after which place, because the beginning is exactly identical but the ending's changing. So that's why you just do those endings separately. Then you know, okay, first time I'm going to E, G sharp, B, C. Then second time I'm going to D, C, B, A. See, that way you know where to go exactly. So you have to emphasize it for the memory, for the mind as well. And when you learn, and it's very important to have like good mindset and to ask your mind, your memory, your body, your fingers, just all your being to help you to learn well. Like not just learn passively, I say. Sometimes people learn and learn, they don't know what they're doing. That's not very good. You have to tell yourself, please my mind, help me. My brain, my heart, please my body, help me to learn as well as I can, as fast as I can. I want to learn it. It's been proven, the more you want to learn it, the faster you will learn it. It's like the more desperate you are, the more real power you show, and the belief, and just the more badly you want it, the faster it will happen. So you just have to develop that. It's possible to develop it, you don't have to at first straight away start and say, yeah, I just want to desperately. But if you do it, you will see how much it helps you. Then you'll understand why, because you have to you can save a lot of time by doing that, because sometimes you'll be in a bad mood and then your brain doesn't work. You just keep coming back to it, coming back to it, coming back to it, always, like completely beyond any doubt, belief, you will get it if you just repeat enough times. You're a human being, you have your hands, you have your mind, you just put your heart to it, put yourself there, and just spend that time with your instrument and do it every day. Just do whatever I just did in that video every single day for however many days you need to learn this place, and then eventually you combine those two places together. Then we go from the very beginning, both parts. Go very slowly. Our first section. So you see what we did? We did first right hand only by little places, then left hand by little places. So master those first. Do not join both hands until you master separate hands. Then you join both hands by section and combine. It's like you're making beads, so to speak. You know, you put one place, then the next, then you do them together, then the next, then you do them 3 places together, then so on. And if the sections are similar, you can do like first bigger section, then leave it, then beat up the second section by small places, then you connect to 2 places and combine 2 places together. So, okay, so this will be our first part of full release concluded. So just repeat it enough, do it every day, and promise yourself that you will just repeat it until you get it. Don't just, you know, guess or, you know, just think, oh, maybe I'll do it, maybe I don't. Just sit there and do it, and do it, and do it, and you will see you'll play it in a matter of maybe even one day. You just repeat enough times, okay? That's so important, to repeat enough times. I don't know what level you are, but this is intended for very, very beginners who can't play piano at all. Even like they never even played piano, but they want to learn this for release. If you just see this video, if you copy what's there, you will see you'll play it in no time. You know, some people will take more repetition, some people less, but the good thing you will see in your progress, you will get quicker learning new things as you learn more new things. So this is very important. Just always believe in yourself, always come back to your piano, and you will see you'll have your progress there. So remember, you always do the right touch. I didn't get into touch today, into position, so please watch those videos that I've done before about how to sit at the piano, the hands position. You can also pick up some exercises from my European Piano Technique Mastery course as well there. And then you'll be playing definitely better and better if you do it daily. So, you know, practice every day at least. Maybe 10-15 minutes start with, maybe 20-30 minutes. It will help much more, and you'll be well on your way. So yes, this will be all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, subscribe and like, and then you can also subscribe to my mailing list, because I'll be releasing a Piano Technique Mastery course very soon, and there are maybe some spots available for online teaching with my school as well. My waiting list is quite long, but if you like, you can get to my waiting list as well for online lessons if you prefer. But I'm not sure when I will have spots available, but you can leave your mail and we can get back to you, because one of our teachers from the school or myself, we can maybe help you in the near future. But definitely, if you're interested to develop your technique, the course will be coming out soon, so you're very welcome to subscribe to that list. And you know, once we have any updates, we will email you and let you know first. Okay, so again, thank you very much for watching. Hope this will be helpful for you. You will enjoy your first release and improve it. And until next time, bye bye now. See you.